Cool. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a little review of Canarias Edición Especial, and then I'm going to be using my sipper too. Anyways, I got this guy. Okay, so with Canarias, I've done my own little review of Canarias and Canarias Serena together. I've always loved this one. This one's a daily sipper. I have this one all the time. I like it for its strength. How long you can drink a single mate. Even one of these guys, I can drink this the whole morning, or sometimes I'll drink a little bit in the morning and then have enough to carry me through the afternoon, where I may or may not make a new one, or do my little half strength technique where I'll make a new mate and knock out a little bit of the old yerba. But as far as a review or a comparison of the Edición Especial, one, the bag is super sick. The gold, the bronze. As far as the cut goes, you can't even see it. It's not super different. It's still very fine. It might even be more powdery, a little more aged. The color, it has more of a tan color. And as far as the preparation, I've read this a couple times, and from what I've gathered is, here, let's see. It's saying right here, regiones de montes nativos, localizados, árboles localizados, and regiones de montes nativos. And so that means that it's coming from like native mountain lands, from local trees. But they've tested and selected trees, and it's from a place that is in the mountains. And I guess when I think about the mountains, I think of a rich, full country, mountainside, probably a little more water, a little more flavor, and that's what I taste. I guess long story short, getting to it, that's what I taste when I taste this mate. I've thought to myself, like, what's so special about this guy? And I think that's it. Comparing it to like a regular one mate that I really like from Argentina, honestly, one of the only ones that I like from Argentina, is called La Merced, and my favorite variation of that brand, or that flavor, is De Monte. It's super good. It's got a great flavor, and not really sharing much here. Honestly, I'm kind of excited to try this. I've been holding on to this bag for a while until I could get to a review, because there aren't many quiet moments in my home, so I'm trying to get a better focus on this guy. Anyways, here we go. Try to do that one-handed bombisha set. If I got it this time for you. One little trick, if you can put, just support your finger on the rim, because if you don't, it'll go flying everywhere, and someone will be very unhappy with you if it gets everywhere. But we'll give that one a second. Honestly, these Canarias, they're such good mates. They last forever. They're delicious, especially this one. There is something serene about it. One little cool anecdote, I love seeing the inspection stickers. It's either coming into Argentina or out of Argentina, but those things are so cool. It's probably been long enough. Let me get a little pour. So I guess a recap of a very drawn out video. This one, a lot of strength, probably a little more flavor. I think it's a little more rich, a little more dusty, which is my favorite, the polvo. I don't know if it has the mint, probably doesn't. It's probably closer to the tradicional, the yellow bag, but yeah, what a great thing. Anyways, happy sipping. I love it. Great flavor. Really earthy. A lot of polvo, which is my favorite. And the bag looks super cool. And I like the way it makes me feel. I've talked about that before, but yeah, this one makes me feel really good. Not super jittery and crazy. Honestly, I'd probably prefer this one over the yellow bag. Yeah, if I can get my hands on it again, I probably will. So, anyways, hopefully you found some of this information helpful. And yeah, hopefully you can get a chance to try some of this especial. Cool. Alright, happy sipping, everybody. Take care.